Hello. In this video, we will walk through the protocols for lipid extraction. There are two common methods in the lab: solvent extraction and acid extraction. For solvent extraction, we will need around 1 gram of ceramic powder per sample. We will use DCM and methanol as solvent. Solvent extraction can recover a full spectrum of lipid compounds. For acid extraction, we need at least ½ gram of the ceramic powder per sample. We will use methanol and sulfuric acid for extraction and methylation. Acid extraction can generate a higher extraction efficiency, but the large lipid compounds, for example triacid glycerides, will be hydrolyzed. Before we start extraction, we need to set up a series of sterilized hash tubes. For each batch of extraction, we need to prepare an experimental blank to track the inclusion of contamination. For acid extraction, apart from the sample and blank, we need to prepare a standard which contains palmitic acid and stearic acid. This standard will work as a reference to track the change of carbon isotope values during the methylation. To enhance the extraction efficiency, we will use the sonication for 15 minutes. For solvent extraction, the sonicated samples will be centrifuged for 10 minutes to separate the liquid and solid stuff. After centrifuge, we will transfer the liquid part to another tube. When the lipid extract is dried down until 2 ml level, we will transfer the liquid to a smaller glass vial, and the leftover liquid will be further dried down under nitrogen. The solvent extracted samples will be further derivatized with BSTFA to be silylated. For silylation, the heating process will take 1 hour at 70 degrees. After silylation, the sample will be dried down under nitrogen and then reconstituted with 100 microliter of hexane into the GC vial. To enhance the extraction efficiency, we will use the sonication for 15 minutes. For acid extraction, after sonication, we will add sulfuric acid for hydrolyze. Acidified methanol together with the sample will be heated for hydrolyzing at 70 degrees for 4 hours. For acid extraction, after heating and hydrolyzing, the sample will be centrifuged. After centrifuge, we will transfer the liquid part to another tube. The liquid part will be separated by the hexane. The hexane will extract the organic phase and then separate the aqueous phase. The hexane phase will be transferred and filtered through the glass wool and potassium carbonate to remove the acid and aqueous phase. The organic phase dissolved in hexane will be dried down under nitrogen and then reconstituted with hexane into the GC vial. After extraction and derivatization, the samples will be analyzed with GCMS and FID.